Good morning, everyone, and happy Wednesday. It is Julie here with your TipRanks pre-market morning update, where we're bringing you up to speed with what you need to know before that opening bell. So let's get right into it. Alright guys, welcome back and thank you all so much for being here. As usual this morning, we'll be taking a look at exciting stock market news, notable earnings reports, and the morning's biggest gainers and losers. Don't forget, if you're wanting to unlock some fantastic research tools, to check out the TipRanks Ultimate and Premium subscriptions, now available on monthly payment plans. Now let's get right into this morning's exciting stock market news. U.S. stock futures are in the red this morning. Currently, Dow futures are down 1.06%, S&P 500 futures are down 1.25%, and NASDAQ futures are down 1.43%. Also down are gas prices. The crude benchmark fell over 4% as President Biden is calling on lawmakers to temporarily suspend federal taxes on gasoline. Artificial intelligence company Symbotic fell over 7% yesterday after it was disclosed that Walmart holds at about 11% stake in the company. The AI company had just gone public earlier this month via a SPAC merger, and in a recent regulatory filing, Walmart disclosed that it owns 15 million Class A shares of the company. Earlier in the spring, it was announced that Symbotic's robotics and software automation platform would be installed in all 42 of Walmart's regional distribution centers. The agreement had previously been for just 25 centers. With just 3 current analyst ratings, the Symbotic stock is currently rated a strong buy with an average upside of nearly 5%. Used car marketplace CarLotz plans to shut down 11 of its dealership stores in order to preserve cash and boost profits. They'll also no longer be moving ahead with 3 previously planned outlets. Their CEO said that we believe the hub closures are a necessary step to help improve the company's financial performance. The company will end up laying off around 25 to 30% of its workforce as a result of these closures. They're expecting to record a $12 to $13 million reduction in their operational loss per year following the shutdown of the hubs, and they're expecting the store closures to release $10 million from the liquidation of inventory. With just 1 analyst rating from last month, the stock is currently rated a hold. And shares of DiamondBack Energy were on the rise after the company announced they'd be increasing their dividend by over 7%, now up at $3 per share annually. DiamondBack's CEO Travis Stice said that the increased return of capital framework announced today displays the confidence we have in our forward outlook. He also added that the company's strong balance sheet can withstand another down cycle. DiamondBack will be continuing their common stock repurchase program that they started back in the fall. They've bought back approximately $690 million worth of shares and plan to spend up to $2 billion. With 16 current analyst ratings, the stock is rated a unanimous strong buy with an average upside of nearly 44%. Now moving over to notable earnings reports. In the after hours last night, we heard from Lazy Boy. You can catch Fabio's after hours market recap on TipRanks TV to hear the details on that. In the after hours today, we'll be hearing from KB Home and Worthington Industries. In the pre-market this morning, we heard from Winnebago. They came out with better than expected results and impressive year-over-year revenue growth. Winnebago reported earnings of $4.13 per share. This was well ahead of the analyst estimates of $3.01. Revenue came in at $1.5 billion, beating the estimates of $1.2 billion, and they saw a nearly 52% year-over-year growth. Now moving over to the morning's biggest gainers and losers. Our biggest gainers this morning are led by First Industrial Realty. Under the ticker FR, the stock is up just above 5%. They're followed by Clinigens Holdings under NUTX, up nearly 4%, and NatWest Group under NWG, up 3.45%. Our biggest losers this morning are led by Coinbase, who's falling alongside Bitcoin. Under the ticker COIN, the stock is down about 8.4%. They're followed by ArcelorMittal under MT, down 6.75%, and PetroChina Company under PTR, down about 6.7%. So that is going to be everything for our pre-market morning update, bringing you everything you need to know before the market opens. If you made it to the end of today's video, make sure you hit that thumbs up button and that you're subscribed to the channel as well. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you have a fantastic Wednesday, and I'll see you back here next time.